Yo, Increase team, what's going on? The market is officially closed. Let's check out and see how the market performed and potentially how it can perform next week. Let's jump to those charts. Alright, first and foremost, if you like what you hear, make sure that you hit that subscribe, that like button, leave a comment, do something, let me know what you're feeling, alright? So, S&P, first chart we always take a look at. Market closed at 42.80.70, and that is very close to the record high, the new record high, might I add, 42.86.12. So it's about almost $6 off from that high. And as always, if the market closes near those highs, chances are it could continue. And my price target is still 4,500. We've closed over our old high before. We have a chance to continue on into the next week. I see nothing in the way right now besides it being an outside day formation. We're gonna check to see next week if that holds up. I think it will, and we'll see next week. So that is the S&P. Let's check out the Russell, ticker IWM. If you recall last week, I was looking to see if this was going to continue, and we kind of fell flat last week. We closed lower than what I anticipated. But now we're back. We're back above where we were last week, and that is a good signal. We have 232.28 as the high, and we close, 232.28 is what we closed at. Record high is 234.53. And if we zoom in to that same zone that we had last week, we hit that 20-day moving average, which we closed below last week. Yeah, we bounced. We came right back to where we fell off the cliff from last week. So that is a good signal. We should see some continuation into the next week to test out that high of that 234.53 and continue on. Price target is still 250, so we're going to keep this one short and simple. Remember to follow me any social media. That's going to be Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, StockTwits, Facebook. All of that's going to be at Increase Team. The new episode of Stocks and Bars is out, and always remember to check out my family, Marathon Money. Sign up Marathon Money Plus, where you'll get access to all of the future content as well as all the picks from Cam and Kenny. I am off. We will see you later, all right? Enjoy your weekend. Peace.